Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna do a one band tutorial makeup look, and I'm using Wet n Wild for it. So first of all, I will be using Mega Glow contour palette in the shade Caramel, and I'm using this yellow shade all over my face. It will act as a primer. So अगर आपके पास प्राइमर नहीं है तो आप एक लूज़ पाउडर या फिर आप प्रेस पाउडर हल्का सा एक लेयर अगर लगाते हैं तो वो प्राइमर की तरह हेल्प करेगा. नेक्स्ट I'm using concealer, photo focus concealer in the shade light medium beige. थोड़ा सा लाइट है मेरे स्किन के अकॉर्डिंग, बट स्टिल I'm gonna work with it. So इससे मैं अपने जो eyelid एरिया है और थोड़ा सा अंडर आई डार्क सर्कल्स हैं उसे कवर करूँगी, एंड आई विल ब्लेंड इट really well. आई विल बी डूइंग माई आईज़ फर्स्ट, इसलिए मैं अपना जो आई एरिया है पहले वो कवर कर रही हूँ, एंड देन आई विल गो विद अनदर थिंग्स. और इसे मैं सेट करूँगी सेम yellow color powder से. And then I'm using kavyakainth pan palette in Nude Awakening. It's a very good palette for everyday and smoky eyes. So I'm just gonna take this transition shade, which is brown, very light brown in color, and I'm just gonna apply it to my outer corners and to my crease just to give that really nice transition. नेक्स्ट I'm gonna take this brownish burgundy color, and इससे मैं अपने eyelids पे लगाऊंगी directly like this. I am going to do a smoky eye look, so that's why I'm taking this dark color directly onto my eyelids, and I'm just building this up color really nicely. And ज़्यादा pigmentation के लिए I use my fingers as well, and then I'm just gonna blend the edges just to give that really nice soft and blended look. The key to really nice smoky eyes or any kind of eyes is to build the color slowly and then blend. Build and then blend. So that's what I'm doing in this video. Then to make the eyes more intense, I'm using the brown eyeshadow just right where we use eyeliner, and I'm gonna smudge it really nicely with the other eyeshadows. अब उसी पैलेट से मैं ये एक रोज़ गोल्ड शैम्पेन कलर लेके अपने इनर कॉर्नर्स पे लगा रही हूँ, and I'm gonna blend it really well, and I'm gonna use the same shade as my brow bone highlighter as well. It's time to do eyebrows, so I'm using this really nice brown shade from the palette, and I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows really nicely to make them thick and fuller. Or I love using powder shades to make my eyebrows thick and fuller, and you can see how much difference eyebrows can make. Now let's just come to the face. So उसके लिए मैं use कर रही हूँ photo focus foundation in golden beige. It was a little lighter foundation for me, but I kind of worked with it. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. It comes with a spatula, and I'm just gonna blend it really nicely. I tried to blend it really nicely. I tried this foundation for the very first time, and I found it is a little difficult foundation to blend, but it gives beautiful outcome. And this is how I'm blending really nicely. And then I'm just gonna take the concealer, and I'm just gonna highlight a few points on my face, like under eyes, a bridge of nose, forehead, chin. So इसको भी मैं अच्छे से blend कर रही हूँ with the help of a brush. So once the concealer is blended, I'm just gonna set this concealer, और उसके लिए मैं use कर रही हूँ फिर से Mega Glow contour palette in caramel, and I'm using the shade yellow, and I'm just applying under my eye area and wherever I have applied my highlighter. And then I'm just gonna do my lower lash line. I'm just gonna smoke them out with the same burgundy color, and you can see my face looking really pale. So I'm just gonna warm it up. थोड़ा सा contour color लेके I'm just gonna use it on hollows of my cheeks, on temples, on my jaws, just to warm up my face and to look a little more alive. Also, I'm gonna shape my nose using the same color. It will help my nose to look a little bit more slimmer. अब बारी आती है ब्लश की. ब्लश के लिए I'm using Icon blush in Mellow Wine. It's a beautiful peach colored blush, and I'm just gonna smile, and I'm just gonna apply to my apples of cheeks, and I'm gonna blend it really nicely with the contour I did. और अच्छे से circular motions में इसको blend करूँगी. You can see it's a very nice pretty blush, and I'm just gonna blend everything then, and also gonna remove the excess powder on my face using a powder brush, और इसे blush भी अच्छे से blend होगा. Then I'm using mega length waterproof mascara in very black, and I'm just gonna apply a few coats onto my upper lash and lower lashes really nicely. The only thing I'm not using of Wet n Wild are lashes, and I'm using pack lashes for that in number 56, and these are beautiful, really light lashes. And then I'm gonna use highlighter, or this is Blossom Glow. It's a beautiful highlighter by Wet n Wild. Look how pretty it is. और ये फेस पे भी बहुत ही अच्छा ग्लो देता है. आई लव्ड दिस हाइलाइटर एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ गोइंग इनटू माय favorite highlighters. And I'm just going to apply to highest points of my cheeks, forehead, bridge of nose, cupid's bow and chin. Now it's time for the lips, and for lips I'm using Megalast liquid Catsuit matte lipstick in the shade Coral Corruption. It's a beautiful coral color, loved it seriously, and the texture of this lipstick is also very pretty and very comfortable on lips. So yeah, so that's it for the whole look. So I'm just gonna do my hair and I will be back with the whole look. I just enjoyed creating this look, and it's a very pretty look to go for some wedding or party. और बहुत ही सस्ता पड़ता है. All the products are under 600, so you can just invest in these products. The products of Wet n Wild are really nice. And yeah, that's it for the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.